I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Arceus X on Roblox mobile. We'll start by understanding what Arceus X is and why it's popular among Roblox players. Then, I'll guide you through all the essential prerequisites you need to prepare your device. Following that, we'll dive into a clear, step-by-step process for safely downloading and installing the application. Finally, I'll share some valuable tips for troubleshooting common issues and ensuring a smooth experience. This guide aims to provide you with all the information for a successful setup. Before you begin, it's crucial to prepare your mobile device properly. First, ensure your device has at least 200 megabytes of free storage space for the application and its data. Next, temporarily disable any antivirus software you might have running, as it can sometimes interfere with the installation process. Also, make sure your Roblox application is updated to its very latest version. Lastly, consider backing up any important data on your phone as a general safety precaution before installing third-party applications. Now, let's get to the core steps for downloading and installing Arceus X. Begin by opening your mobile browser and navigating to the official Arceus X website. Be very careful to use only the official source to avoid malicious files. Download the latest Arceus X APK file. It's usually around 50 to 60 megabytes. Before installing, go to your device's security settings and enable Install from Unknown Sources. Once enabled, locate the downloaded APK file and proceed with the installation, granting all necessary permissions. After successful installation, launch Arceus X. You'll need to obtain a key from their website to activate the executor, which typically involves a few simple steps. Once activated, you can start injecting scripts into Roblox to enhance your gameplay. Remember to re-enable your antivirus software immediately after the installation and key activation are complete for continued protection. Always download scripts from reputable and verified sources to maintain the security of your Roblox account and device. Enjoy your enhanced Roblox experience responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.